Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And today I thought we'll do our August read. Let's see, Leo, what August has in store for you, what energies are flowing towards you, and how we can use this reading to have a beautiful month coming up. So, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you and leave the rest. So, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of August. Thank you. So, Leo, let's begin. Let's begin. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And, Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo, what's going on with you right now in your current energy? I have the Tower moment. Tower showing up, which could be a sudden change that has come upon you in your life. All right. Let's see. Leo, just take care of your sleep. You may have some choices to make in the month of August here. There's some major choices that you'll have to make. Let's start with your current energy. Right now, I think you are going through some kind of a tower here. There's a sudden change that you feel. This tower is a good tower because sometimes, when tower moments happen, they clear the air for something new to come in. So the old is going to diminish now so that you can rebuild onto something new. I think in the recent past, some things had stagnated in your life, Leo. And when something stagnates, it's like, still water starts stinking after a while. So something had stagnated. It needed to be brought down so you could rebuild again. And in August, I see that you will be making new choices. But all I'm saying is, don't stress out too much about it. There's no need to, this is like a new beginning for you, so go slow and steady. It's going to lead to a lot of happiness. I do see you getting excited very soon, and you'll have all the powers that you need to create this brand new life for yourself. So what I'm going to do, Leo, first I'm going to start with the Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for this beautiful new month coming up for August. Lord Ganesha, for my lions and lionesses. Belonging. Okay, Leo, I think in August, you will start realizing who you want to belong to maybe, or where you want to belong. Maybe you'll be making some certain changes about the people, places, or things that resonate with your soul tribe. You'll be connecting with new people, I feel. People or places where you feel you belong, right? Maybe in the past, you never felt that way. You felt always, you were stuck in a rut. So all that is going to end now, and you will now make healthy choices for yourself. So what I'm going to do now, Leo, I'm going to start your clarification of these cards and see what is it that you need to know now. So in your current energy, as I said, I see a tower. What's that, Spirit? What's the sudden change that Leo is experiencing? Oh, it's a very good change, Leo. Wow. Leo, you are blocking off things that are no longer serving you now. I think you've got your boundaries set totally correct. You are moving towards your wish fulfillment. See, I told you, every tower is not a bad tower. Some towers just release all that old energy, and you helping it. I think you consciously blocking off anything that doesn't serve you anymore, and you are now in a mood to celebrate life. I think you're finally coming into your own. You're kind of feeling more in control of your life, of your money, of your stability. And whatever new change that you're making is actually going to bring you everything that you desired. You are getting wish fulfillment, you're getting happy times with friends and family, people that you really do belong to. And yes, I see you in a very stable position after that. So this could have already just happened, or is happening, or is about to happen. This is all because you have learned to put your boundaries up. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this Leo to emerge as this now? Page of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Yes, you left something, Leo. You were indecisive for a very, very long time because you realized that whichever situation you were in was very, very stagnant, right? I think you've successfully managed to make up your mind and escape this stagnant position. I think you had been in this limbo for a very long time. And yes, whatever was stuck is now broken apart, so that now you can start really going after things that really make you happy. So what's coming up in August, Spirit? The Lovers. What's this choice? What's this Lovers card for Leo? I think Leo, yes, you are having a brand new beginning, that's for sure. Something brand new is beginning for you, Leo, but it may come after a little bit of a little bit of time where you may feel a little bored, discontent. I mean, after any major tower in your life, I mean, you have to regroup. I see you regrouping a little bit, and then you're picking yourself up, because after taking a little time out for self-care, self-love, I think you'll be ready now to bring justice back into your own life. In August, I see you leaping off that cliff to say, my angels, I'm going to fly off this cliff and I'm going on for a new beginning. Teach me to fly or just catch me, right? I think you're going to just trust in the universe, make that choice and go off for this fresh new beginning now. After something is going to close down here, you are heading towards a brand new life. All this old stagnant energy is going to be very soon a thing of the past. What else for August, Spirit? What else for August? What else can... Whatever you've been stressed about, Leo, in the past, now or in the recent past, whatever you've been troubled by or you've been stuck with or you felt you haven't been able to move, all that is coming to a complete end. This is the end of a cycle of your life. After 10 swords in your back, there is no 11th, Leo. After that, you only start with the ones. And you are starting here with the Fool energy, which is 0, not even 1. So after you take this leap of faith, you're realizing that this chapter is shut, Leo. Here comes a new beginning. The old hurts, the pain, the stress, the tension, all that is being left in the past. What should Leo hold on to, Spirit? Leo, hold on to the 6 of Cups energy. This is like children, right? When you have the newness, the innocence of a child. So bring that excitement, that youthful energy, the excitement of wonderment of life and wanting to explore new options. Spirit is saying you have to hold on to that feeling. Try and communicate more with people. Don't just, go into this kind of a mode to say, okay, so now I don't know what to do next, and I don't know where to begin again. I'm bored, I'm lonely, I'm sad. Please don't go into this kind of energy. Spirit is saying you have to now get out there and start communicating, start going out if possible, if your state, country allows it, or at least start, planning your forward movement with excitement, with the excitement of children, like children. Like how kids are, like they want to try everything, they want to try every flavor of every ice cream before they settle on one, right? So Spirit's saying hold on to that feeling. So what should Leo let go of, Spirit? What should Leo let go of? Spirit is saying, I think, let go of whatever happened. This tower moment will pass. Don't worry about it. I know it's a bit scary sometimes when you have such a big change in your life, Leo. It gets really scary, and you may feel that after this, you just want to be by yourself, and only it's like you want to put yourself in a bubble and say it's me and myself and my abundance and my growth and my life, and I don't want to interact with anyone because you've just been through a very painful tower, right? Or you're going to go through one, and you may be a little afraid to open up and share happiness with others. Spirit is saying you have to let this fear go, because we promise you the next chapter of your life is bringing in the sunshine. Now this, Leo, is the happiest card in the deck. This is going to bring so much happiness, so much abundance. So don't lock yourself up and say it's me and myself and we go hand in hand. All right? So make sure you interact with people, new opportunities, because there's a lot of happiness which is just waiting at the door to come in. So what can become Leo's biggest blockage, Spirit? What can become Leo's biggest blockage in August? What can become Leo's biggest blockage? Leo, it seems like you want something. You want a new beginning. There is something you have your eyes set on. Something which is going to assure you stability, growth, abundance, everything. You are wishing for it. You want to bring it back into balance. You are manifesting it, but you're doing it from behind that door, right? What Spirit is saying, don't sit in your ego and pride. If you want something, if you want some whatever, you will have to, apart from just manifesting it, you will have to take some action as well. There is something that you deeply, deeply desire, something brand new that you want. You want this balance, you want this healing. You are wishing for it, you're praying for it, but a little bit of ego and pride it also comes out of being fearful. I normally feel people who are egoistic or who have a lot of pride, they are basically insecure people. Not that I'm calling you, Leo, insecure, but if you are humble and ask for what you want, there's a 50% chance you may just get it there and then. But if you just keep praying and manifesting and not taking action, sitting on your high horse like this one, like if you just say, okay, things should just come to me, then that will become a blockage for furthering your advancement. How do people see my Leo in August? Leo, people see you as you. This is your card, the strength card, right? Like I said, a little bit of pride. So why do people see my Leo as the strength, Spirit? Why do people see my Leo like this? Why do people see my Leo as this? Leo, people see that you pretend to be a bit unsure of what you want, and they also know that, see, people who are very close to you, people who know your heart and your soul, like your parents, your children, maybe your siblings, your closest friends, they know that you've just been through something very painful and you are probably feeling a bit left out in the cold or rejected or abandoned or something like that, whatever this tower moment did to you. So they are saying that you are trying to hide your pain. You are pretending that it really doesn't matter. I'm okay this way, I'm okay that way. They see you trying to be a bit airy-fairy about it and not really acknowledging what you're going through. They also see you not making any hasty moves. Because maybe again, because of the way whatever's happened in your life, they see you as taking things really slow this time. How else do people see my Leo? They also see you taking a lot of time to yourself, maybe a lot of self-love, and healing and moving to a more peaceful place. Some of you could be traveling, maybe near the water, maybe to a calm, peaceful place, leaving all the conflict behind, whatever, like I said, tower moment that you've been through, whatever conflicts that you've been through, you're trying to leave all that past pain behind and go to a peaceful place where you can indulge a little bit into self-love. So, Spirit, what's your secret message to my Leo? The Empress. You're going to have a lot of stability, growth and abundance in your life, Leo. I know this is what you wish for. It was here as well. But don't allow this ego and pride to hold you back. That's about it. So Spirit is assuring you, you don't have to be stressed about it. You don't have to have any sleepless nights about it. This is your new chapter, new cycle. It's going to give you new opportunities now. So why is this secret message, Spirit? What's your secret message to Leo? What's your secret message to Leo? Secret message for Leo, Spirit? Yes, look at the opportunities which are coming to you, Leo. The whole world is opening up to you. You'll be, confused as to which opportunity to take first. Look at the amount of choices, opportunities which are coming towards you, and they're all going to lead to fertility, growth, abundance. What else, Spirit? Secret message for Leo? People are going to be fighting for your attention, Leo. Look at this, look at this. People are going to be fighting to get a chance with you because you're going to turn into a very, very stable person. You have everything going for you, new opportunities. I see people trying to vie for your attentions. Everybody wants a piece of my Leo in August. So then why is the Nine of Swords the overall energy, Spirit? Why is Leo getting stressed out about? What is this? Nine of Swords? Nine of Swords. Oops, and the card fell to the floor. Give me a second. Because instead of taking action, Spirit says Leo is waiting. Why are you waiting? We've already seen this, because you're a little afraid after whatever has ended in your life. You're afraid to take a chance, and you're taking things rather slow, if not stagnant. And you maybe have a little bit of pride in grabbing those multiple opportunities which are coming your way. So what Spirit is saying, this is going to lead you to, openly you'll be saying, hey, I'm in no rush, but at night you may have sleepless nights because you want them. So Spirit is saying, instead of, having these nightmares or not sleeping or worrying and waiting for opportunities to come to you, they're all around you. They're going to be all around you in August. Just go grab them. Don't let ego, pride, your insecurities or anything hold you back now. A brand new life for Leo in August. Okay, so yes, that's all I have for you, Leo. Hope this works for you, and I'll see you soon again. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.